Hey there, TNG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Check this bad boy. I got a Copperhead 72 rolling out of the shop. It's actually been a while since we built the old Copperhead. Seems like all we're doing is fridge nowadays, but we got the OG Copperhead back in the house. So this one's going all the way to California, going to my man Bruno, who is actually the head chef at El Niguel Country Club over in California. So they ordered this bad boy up because they want to cook some top shelf barbecue over there in California. So they got them a Copperhead 72. About to load this bad boy up on a truck, ship it out there to them. But hey, I wanted y'all to get a little insight on them before we did that. So let's check it out. Now, like I said, it is our Copperhead 72. So that is a 72-inch smoke chamber, 24 inches deep. It does have not one, not two, but 4 sliding trays in this unit. So they all slide out. Now, it is a reverse flow smoker, so the smoke comes all the way across the bottom and then back out of the smokestack, as you can see here. Now, there are reverse flow plates in here that actually direct the smoke are removable. So you can pull them up out of there, clean up the bottom of your smoker, makes it easy to keep it clean. You can see he did upgrade to our Tell True TMG Pits gauges right there. Speaking of upgrades, he also got that stainless steel front shelf on there, guys. That is a great option. Looks good, cleans up easily. I mean, guys, it doesn't hurt to look good. You know what I'm saying? So, love that stainless steel shelf. Now, he did add our hot box on here, and with the Copperhead 72, you actually get an extra large hot box. So, still 5 sliding trays in here, but over 2,000 square inches of cook space. Guys, what we love about our hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So it's basically like having 2 smokers run off one fire. So you can get this hotter or cooler than the smoke chamber, depending on what you're doing. Great for chicken, ribs, put your sides in there while you're smoking the main chamber. This works really well. Come around on the firebox here. Now this is just our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate steel, just like the whole smoker. He does have a fire management cradle in there. As well as on our standard firebox, you get an ash clean out here so you can scrape the ash out of the bottom. We got D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Threw them on there, a little custom stainless steel logo there, of course. And come around to the back side, hey, Bruno knows the deal. He got a rear folding shelf, guys. You're never gonna complain about having too many shelves, right? And these things are super heavy duty. Lift it up, folds down out of the way when you don't need it. It also got a fold down stack. Obviously this sucker's tall. You need to roll it into the garage, take the stack, fold it down, lock it down. Hey, you're good to go. Come back around the front side here. Now, as you can see, it is on our off-road package. Now, these are our standard wheels and tires you get. You can get upgraded ones if you like. Guys, this is a heavy smoke right here. This bad boy weighs almost 2,000 pounds. So if you're trying to move around in gravel, pull around from your garage to the back patio, get the off-road package. That's the way to go. Front axle swivels all the way underneath. So it makes it easy to maneuver around. But guys, that's it on this Copperhead. He said she is heading down to California. I'm gonna get in there and get started on the next one. So guys, if you want a custom pit built like Bruno did, y'all know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.